Alright, here we are, sitting on the HX. I haven't started this yet, so you're gonna get... Look at how convenient that is. Look how convenient that is. Pull the choke out, hit the start button. Battery's dead. Saw that one coming. At least I think I did. Yep, battery's dead. Hey, one more day. Tested it today, found out the battery's dead. So, gotta get a charger on it and all that good stuff. And then we are gonna test it again later. Alright, not that it matters, but here I am turning into Lily Lake. Alright. Okay, so I am here just to test my ski. I want to start it. I'm going to put it in the water. I'm going to start it. It's going to stay on the trailer. And I just want to see if my motor's blown or if my battery was the problem. I've been back and forth to bigger boat launches 3 times now, and this is the final test. So just making this video in case I get caught here, and I'm just gonna keep it rolling this entire time. Truth though, I had a maybe bad battery in it, so this is with a good battery for sure. Tried and true tested. Usually it starts for me. Today it's not starting. Don't know why it's not starting. Bring your suit, man. If I got this one, you can try it. If I got my stand-up, you can also try it.
Oh, that's you that be on the stand-up one?
The one